Hello, just showing an error that's happening on my phone where the screen sort of shifts every time you touch it. The display shifts up. The actual keys remain in their original position, so that if I swipe my code, so delete, that OK sign is elsewhere. See, that's where the hash is, the delete is up here. So yeah, it makes it really disconcerting to use, and then occasionally it'll wig out and do this. As you can see, it's kind of changed into a negative color. It sometimes resets when you restart or kind of hit the screen button, but it's very difficult to use as a result of this. So if I shift, so delete is up here somewhere. Maybe it's down here, I'm not sure. That's the hash. That's the 9, that's the 8, 3, and that's the back button. So the back button, although it appears to be there, is actually up here, somewhere there. So yeah, somehow basically the display driver, I guess, is misbehaving. So like if I remember that that's where the minus button is, then I can do that, but otherwise 6, 5, you can see that although I'm pressing on the 2, it's dialing an 8, that's because that is where the 8 is, the 0 will be below it, and yet the minus, the backspace remains up in this corner. So basically it makes using the phone next to impossible, although all the phone functions are still there. As you can what I'm trying to do here is, well, if I go out of that, you can see that at this one point where the screen cycles around, if you like, at this one point, this is where I sort of have a chance to use the keyboard as it should be. However, sometimes it also offsets to the right, which makes it super complicated, but all the keys remain in their original position. So my passcode, if I can get it to read, is really frustrating anyway. So there, and across, no, but there, and across, no, there, and across, there. And again, it's done another color change, but so here we go, 1, 2, 3, and across. 1, 2, 3, no, 1, 2. Almost. So alright, so there I'm in, I've got the code, but now the screen is sort of fragmented and shifting. But if I do this for a while, it eventually, you can see that the screen sort of scrolls, and then at this point, when I'm here, I have the time at the top. That's the one time where everything's sort of where it should be. So it makes the phone really difficult to use. Hoping that you might have some suggestions. I have used titanium backup. You can see there, I have used titanium backup. Somehow managed to run a full, I think a backup, but because I can't see when let's see, where would it be? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 down, 2 up, 1, 2. So about there is probably titanium backup. Yeah. As you can see, it becomes very difficult to actually understand how to operate it and understand what the app actually wants to do. Yeah. So I have run it, I'm pretty sure. I've got all the files back onto my computer, and I'm thinking that what I might do next is do a hard reset of the phone, but I just wanted to check in with you to see whether you have any other suggestions. Thank you very much.